Tired of losing real estate deals in a mountain of paperwork? Let's ditch the chaos and jump into Kvcore transactions. First things first, log into your Kvcore account. Once you're in, look for the Transactions tab on the left-hand side of your dashboard. It's usually located near the bottom, so give it a scroll. If you don't see it right away, click it. Alright, now you're in the Transactions hub. To kick off a new deal, spot that big, inviting button that says Start Transaction, or maybe even a plus symbol. Give that a click, and get ready to build your transaction. You'll be presented with a form. Start by entering the property address. Kvcore will then ask you for client details, their names and contact info. Next, specify the type of transaction. Is it a listing, a purchase, or a lease? Make sure to select the correct type. Now for the nitty-gritty financial details, key dates like the closing date, and assigning the relevant agents to the transaction. Fill in all the necessary information accurately. Double-check everything before moving on. Congratulations! You've just initiated a transaction in Kvcore. Now, you can manage documents, track tasks, and streamline communication, all within this centralized hub. Be sure to explore the different sections within the transaction to fully leverage Kvcore's tools.